YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna, also known as eHeadsFit, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from usual. I'm going to be attempting 7 yoga poses that I've never done before. So ever since the beginning of my little Instagram journey that started in 2017, I've been, bookmarking posts here and there of inspirational and impressive poses, and some of them I've attempted in the past and failed, some of them I've never tried, but I now have 7 poses here, all of which look kind of hard, that I've never done before. So I'm going to be sharing with you me attempting those poses and sharing how I'm going to try to warm up to get into the poses. I wonder how many of these 7 I'll be able to do. I want to say, let's say like 4, and I'm probably gonna fall a lot of times. A lot of these poses aren't really traditional yoga poses. Doesn't matter. They're challenging, they're fun, they require skill, so it should be fun. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below along with the bell notification symbol so that you never miss a new video from me again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Maybe we should warm up with like a not so intense pose. Okay, so the first pose I'm going to attempt is this one by Mrs. Khaleesi Gaither? Sorry, Kirsty, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is Kirsty. She is one of the most creative yogis on Instagram that I know. She's always whipping out new shapes that are always so cool and impressive. This is kind of a twisted variation of camel pose that also requires an intense balance. I need to stretch into my side body and my back first, so let's try this. Okay, so my camera battery died on my Olympus, so we are shooting with a different camera. Hopefully the lighting doesn't look too weird, but I'm gonna get into some back bends. Let me just start off with a puppy pose, more of a passive stretch here. Cobra action here. Maybe a little bit of Asana. Bow pose. Alright, so whenever I do back bends, I also make sure to target my shoulders and my front legs, my quads, because I have really tight quads here. So another pose I like to do is Anjaneyasana. It's like so tiring though. I don't really love tiring things. Alright, I'll take it back. Let me try getting into camel now. Woo. Like really not feeling the back bends right now. Alright, we'll do wheel. Shift back and forth a little bit. I don't know if I'm ready. Sit through. Starts like here. And she's like here. Alright, that's doable. But then she gets her frickin' this hand to that foot. How on earth? Oh! Maybe we should get this one down. Oh my god. Okay. This is dangerous. Bring this hand to this foot. Freaking god! Ow! I need to like twist more. Bring my hand slowly. Ow! Okay, that's good enough, right? Oh god. Ow. And we still have 6 poses after this. Let's just keep going. We got this. I'll just try one more time, or like maybe 3 more times, and then we'll be done with this pose. Okay, here we go. Touch down. Alright, let's just get blood up. Ah! Oh my god. Did I get it? Did we get it? If you look at the live picture, for a split second, I get it, so maybe that counts. All right, we're moving on. Let's stick with the back bend theme, but it is basically a 2-legged wheel pose, and I've done this before and like almost hurt myself, so let's hope that doesn't happen again. This is by Pig Eats Fish. I've been following her for a long time. I saved this one back in 2018. I think I tried it in 2018 and like flipped over. I'm pretty good at wheel pose, so like I feel like I should be able to do this. I think my right arm is stronger. So I'm supporting myself with my right side. I think her right foot is out this way. Oh, I can't do this. There's no way. There's no way. I'm gonna fall. Okay, that's good enough, right? Is it? I don't know. Like, I'm so scared. Ah! Did I do it? Did I do it? I mean, I think this counts. I think it's good enough. This is the thing you guys don't realize. A lot of yogis just hold poses for like literally a split second. Next one. Moving on, we're gonna do this chin stand. It is very hard for me to get my hands flat on the ground in a chin stand. This is by Satoko_Yogini. Also saved this back in 2018. She's like one of my first friends on Instagram, so huge shout out to her. Let's give this a try. Really devastated because my camera decided to stop recording right as I was entering that chin stand, but I did it. I didn't catch it on video. So do I do it again for you guys? I think so, right? Like I think I just have to. I don't even know when the camera stopped recording, but it's really rude. Basically, hands are here, chin goes down, but I'm not placing any weight on it while my feet are coming up. And then I'm gonna lower my chin and my chest. And then put my hands down. Alright, and then from here, my right leg extends forward. My left leg comes back. And here we go. Yay. Going all the way into scorpion first before extending my hands helped. I had to use the weight of my legs to like really keep my weight that way as I was adjusting my hands to prevent myself from rolling back. Yes, we have one more back bend pose. I've attempted this pose before and it is frickin' hard. This one is inspired by Summer Perez. I love her, I've always loved her. This is also saved from 2018, but it's a bound dancer pose. And I don't think I can do it. Maybe I should warm up for this one in a split first. And then we just have to replicate that standing, right? Let's try that. Not really stretch the hamstring, so I'm just gonna chill here for a sec. I'm still keeping this leg super engaged rather than like just relaxing it. And then this is gonna come up and needs to touch my head. Ready? Cramp. Confused. Bend this. And then I think this, I can't do it. I can't do it seated. I think it's actually harder seated. So let's just try standing. Basically, like, I don't even know how she gets into it, but like this has to go here. Ah! And then you catch. Oh, I feel like I'm so close. Am I close? And I've tried this before so many times I could not get anywhere near. So this is improvement. So I'm just like grabbing and twisting here. And then sending my right arm, whoops, all the way through. And then, come on, where's the hand? Where's the freaking hand? Ah! She makes it look so easy. Where's the button? Okay. Where's the button? Yes! I've never been able to do that before. Yay! Wow, I'm so happy. You gotta bring the foot like lower towards your head so that the angle of the upper arm basically closer to your lower arm. Yes! What are we at right now? Like, I mean, can I stand 4 for 4? Like 3.5 for 4 maybe? All right, we have 3 more poses. This pose I've tried before and I couldn't do. This is another one of my favorite yogis, Kim from Corkscrew Yoga. And it looks simple, but it's a really difficult challenge for a balance. Your body is not meant to fold in that way, is what I remember thinking before. Basically, like you need to have a perfect middle split, which I don't have. So I'm gonna try to cheat the camera with a little bit of more angled split, so my foot's not gonna be going all the way up, but it'll look like it's all the way up. How am I even gonna get into this? Basically, it's like this, but on my side. See, this is what I mean. Like, your body's not meant to have your knee bending this way. I have my right foot on the wall, by the way. I just gotta lift this and balance. Am I doing it? Can't tell. Ooh! Ooh! Really uses the glutes. Okay, I'm like nowhere near as square as Kim. My chest is like dropping. Chest needs to be not dropping. How can I do that? How is her chest not dropping? Okay, chest can't be dropping. Let's try again. I think it helps to start off with like a lotus kind of pose here, and then I'll keep the leg in place. Just don't think my hip is flexible enough. Ow, okay, that kind of hurt my knee. Don't do anything that hurts your knee. And let's see. I mean, it's a little better. I think I'm back bending too much. I think Kim doesn't have a back bend, but that's the only way I can do it. That's good, that's good. We're done with that one. We have 2 more, guys. 2 more. All right, this pose by Joyce, I really don't know what the heck is going on. She's right up there with Kirsty. She's like so creative and adventurous, and she's so funny. I don't know what's going on in this pose. I think I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video. Let's see. It's from November 2020. All right, let's try this. Okay, so she basically comes in from gate pose like this. And then she's like lying down like this. And then she takes this hand and hooks it like this. Wait, how do I get this elbow out of the way? No! Okay, use my elbow here. And then up we go. Ah! Nope. Gotta make sure I don't fall. No rolling. Okay. You can't even see my face. Ah! Okay. She definitely came out of that a lot more smoothly. Did I do it? I think I did it, but like, it just looks very different from what she did. I think that's just as good as it's gonna get. So we're gonna move on now to the grand finale. The last pose is, it's a stag leg headstand, which is simple. However, the arms are in this like corkscrew type of shape. And this is by Natasha Winter. Basically, Natasha says this pose is a lot harder than it looks, which means it's hard because Natasha's a freaking superstar. We're just gonna try. So, I'm gonna go into the headstand like this. I don't think I can do it. First of all, this is like testing my shoulder mobility. I'm gonna fall. Also, it's oh, it's dangerous. Engage the core. Engage the core. Nope. Ah! 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 Should I try with like bent arms? I feel like that'd be a lot easier. Wait. No. No. Did I do it? This doesn't look cool at all. Should I face the other way? Oh my god. This is impossible. I need to bend my arms, so. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Arm looks so lame. What the heck? So, what score would you give me? The first and the last one definitely like half points. So I would say I did like 6 out of 7, which honestly isn't that bad, right? What did I say at the beginning? Like 4 out of 7? I'm really happy that I actually was able to manage a lot of these poses that I've had saved on here for like 3 years that I've never been able to do before. It just goes to show that like you can make progress without working on the specific pose that you're trying to achieve. I think the one exception to that is handstand, but these poses, I haven't practiced these exact poses for the last 3 years. When you keep a consistent practice, your body just like learns things. It learns with muscle memory, like balance and ways to use different muscles and flexibility in certain areas of the body. So my biggest win today was definitely that bound dancer. Never thought I would be able to do that one. I like picked it and I was like, like 2-3 times I've attempted this in the past. I've gotten nowhere close. But I'm so happy that I was able to do it. Oh, I love this practice. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed that video. Let this be a sign for you to keep saving all of your inspo poses. Let this be your sign not to give up, to keep a consistent practice. You don't have to be doing fancy poses every day. Just like keep disciplined, keep practicing consistently, and your body will change. It's crazy what like consistency can bring. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me fall on my face multiple times. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and take the bell notification so you never miss a video from me again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!